Yo guys, welcome to Jacques Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So we are going to go straight to our first video. So this is method 1. So in method 1, you're going to click on your Windows icon and then click on the settings, and then after clicking on settings you're going to click on system, and then when you click on system you need to actually scroll down on the left panel. Scroll down until you see about. So this is the about icon, so you're going to click on the about. It's going to bring for you two things: the device specifications, which include the device name, the processor that you're using, the RAM inside your device, the device ID, the product ID, the system type, 64-bit or 32-bit system. And then when you scroll down you will see the Windows specifications of your PC, the edition that you're using, the version, when it was installed. So that is all this method to bring. So we are going to dive straight to the second method. So in the second method we have to search. So you have to open the Windows search button, and then we type this. We're going to type system, so yeah, that's it. So you type system information and then you click. So in this method too, it's going to show for us a lot of things here. It's going to show the version of your PC, the system name, the system manufacturer, which is Dell, because I'm using a Dell. Even the model is showing for us there is I'm using Dell Inspiron 3431. So it actually shows a lot of details to you, more than the first method. So basically we are done with our video, guys, and those are the two basic methods that I wanted to show you today, to see every information of your system, the system of your computer, something like that. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and put your comments of anything you need in the comment section so that I know. Bye bye guys, see you later.